insert hook under tail end, catch working yarn, pull a loop on hook, tighten the knot on the hook. Thread yarn between pinky and ring finger, come up front between middle finger and the index finger, hold on, slip knot with thumb and middle finger of left hand, hold hook with right hand, holding it between thumb and the third finger, rest index finger near slip knot on hook. Yarn over, draw through loop on hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert hook in first stitch. Yarn over, draw through both stitch and loop on hook. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, draw through the stitch only, yarn over, draw through both loops on the hook. Insert hook into stitch, yarn over, and pull up loop. Insert hook into next stitch, yarn over, and pull up loop. Yarn over and draw through all 3 loops. Pull the loop bigger on the hook and cut the yarn, thread the yarn through the hook and pull it. That's all the stitches and skills you need for this earrings jewelry project.